Hello and welcome to CrochetSmash. Today we are going to do some smashing the stash with these flowers. These are 6-pointed flowers. I'm going to use yellow for my center. Let us start making the center with the magic circle. We are going to make chain 3. So 1, 2, 3, which is considered as a first double crochet. Then I am going to make one more double crochet next to it, then chain 1 and make one more double crochet, 2 more double crochet, chain 1, and make 6 sets of double crochet separated by chain 1 space. Make that one and we will meet again. Here I have made all the 6 sets of double crochet and chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the last chain 1 is made and I am going to slip stitch to the first chain 3 space, chain 3, top of the chain 3, then lock that one in place. Now I can tighten my magic circle. Now I am going to attach my red yarn. This here. So I'm going to use I'm going to bring it up, then going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then in each of these chain 1 spaces I am going to make 3 double crochet. The first chain 3 is considered as a double crochet, so 3 double crochet, then chain 2 and 3 double crochet, 1. No, that was not good. Unravel it, yarn over, hook, insert and bring up a loop, yarn over, go through 2 loops, then yarn over, go through the next 2 loops, 1 double crochet made, then the second double crochet, third double crochet. Now we move to the next chain 1 space and do the same thing, 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Similarly we make in each of these chain 1 spaces. Then pause the video and you can make, and then we will meet again. Now this 6 sets of 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet is finished, and I am going to slip stitch to the top of the chain 3. Now I am going to slip stitch the next stitches to go into the chain 2 space. Then I am going to make chain 3 and same like 2 more double crochet, then chain 2 and 3 more double crochet. So it is the same like the previous row, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in each of the chain 2 spaces. But wait for a second, there is a space between these 2 clusters, right? So I am going to make a single crochet there. Then I am going to go to the next chain 2 space and make a 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. So the pattern is, in the chain 2 space we have 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, then here in the space between these 2 clusters there is a single crochet, and repeat that pattern till the end, and once we reach here we meet again. Here we made the last single crochet. Now we are going to slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 to finish that round. Okay, Now if you like, you can cut the yarn and add a different color to do the edging, but I am going to continue with the same color. So I am going to slip stitch, the next 3 double crochet. I slip stitched through the next 3 double crochet, and I am here in the chain 2 space. There I am going to make 2 single crochet, chain 2 and 2 single crochet. Then slip stitch all the way to the next chain 2 space. And again do the same thing, like a 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet. So you can see how we made the points of the petals. Repeat for all the remaining 4 and you will be done with that. Let us see at the finishing line. So here we are finished with the making the points for the petals. A classic 6 point flower is made. Now all is left is weaving the yarn tails, then we are done. So here we are with the finished flower. See, these are just off the hook. It will be better if they get a little bit of starch or blocked, but they look good. If you like this pattern, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please click on the bell button too, so you will know when our new video is uploaded. See you next time with another video. Till then, bye bye.